Yo, what is up, everybody? McDonald's Flips here. Here to do a little my thoughts / review on the TITUS rep clone. I think this is called the squiggle scale rep clone. But yeah, here it is. It's extremely sharp, and that edge is stupid pointy. I've already, if you can see that right there, I already poked the crap out of my finger. Still a little scary playing with a real live blade. Kind of getting used to it, getting over that fear. But yeah, for 40 bucks or 50, however much I paid for it, I think I paid 40, 45 or something like that. I think it's 100% worth it. You're getting a very nice, well-built clone that sounds amazing. First of all, like, listen. My sound test kind of crappy, but and then like, oh, I suck at flipping today. I mean, I find it sounds pretty good. It's pretty neutral, I find, flipping wise. So if you like a neutral flipper, I would definitely recommend this one. Very smooth, no tap out of the box, and let's see, I just flip it with the non-safe handle, and very little play. So yeah, 100% recommend. And it comes stupid sharp, and the edge is dumb, but you know. So yeah, see if I can do one more aerial. There we go. And yeah, please subscribe, like the video if you like my content, and yeah, y'all have a good one. Peace.